In reality, though, Disney's actually spewing cash, even as we keep hearing stories about how bad the box office numbers are. They can easily pay the dividend and the rest of Hulu. Now, I know that Disney's board of directors is not open to admitting huge shareholder Nelson Peltz, but I also know that proxy fights can be very good for shareholders, and that's what Peltz is going to bring this party. The stock is way underperformed. Shareholders have lost a huge amount of money, and Peltz, who controls $3 billion of stock, has an awful lot of skin in the game. Today, a Disney shareholder, Ancora Holdings, with more than $8 billion under management, came out in favor of Peltz. As Ancora said in its note to fellow shareholders, quote, Mr. Peltz is a pioneer and shareholder of activism who has made billions of dollars over many decades for himself, his partners, and fellow shareholders in the companies which he's invested. Mr. Peltz, or a qualified designee, would make a fantastic addition to Disney's board, end quote. You know what? I couldn't agree more. When you have an activist shareholder like Peltz, you get someone in the boardroom who has lots of money on the line, something I think has really been absent if you check out that boardroom. It's not like the company's done a great job on its own. Stock's been cut in half in a couple of years' time. Maybe it's time to hold someone accountable for these losses. I don't hear anyone willing to say anything about how poorly the stock's done. My Chadwell Trust is a long-suffering shareholder in Disney, and I tell you, I got to agree with Ancora here. Peltz can be a change agent because right now the board seems downright unfocused. I say that knowing and respecting new board member James Gorman from Morgan Stanley. Skin in the game, people. Peltz has skin in the game. Who else does? With Ancora's letter in the dividend news last week, I don't agree with the downward trajectory of Disney stock. Today it should have been higher, not lower. Give me a break. Look, on any given day, we're getting these imperfections, these mistakes, these juvenile, uninformed, ill-advised moves. Of course, the market can be wrong in small-cap situations all the time, because not many people are paying attention. But these are huge companies with gigantic valuations. To me, it says there are plenty of shareholders who don't even know what they own or even what matters to the direction of a stock. Here's the bottom line. As long as there are mistakes, there are opportunities. In each one of these cases, the buying opportunities seem obvious. I think it's just a matter of time before the others react correctly, giving the opportunistic, more fearless investors a terrific chance to build great positions in these amazing American companies.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.